Hey guys, welcome back to Indian Regional Recipes. I hope you all are doing great. Today's recipe we are going to see chocolate almond walnut fudge. To make it more crunchy, I'm just dry roasting the walnuts and the almonds and crushing them into small pieces and setting aside. Here I'm taking dark chocolate. I've grated the dark chocolate and melting into some milk, around 2 tablespoon milk I've used. You could see in the video. You have to keep stirring the chocolate so that it won't stick to the bottom. You can use any of your choice dry fruits. I have already given all the ingredient list in the starting only. You can check that out. Once the chocolate is melted, then add some butter. Here I'm taking cocoa butter, which is available at my home. Otherwise you can take normal salted butter. If you are not taking salted butter, then add a pinch of salt. If you are taking salted butter like Amul butter, then you don't need to add salt. For this recipe, remember that you need to keep mixing the mixture non-stop. When the butter is melted, add the condensed milk. Many places people call it milkmaid. If you go to Pune, Lonavala, Khandala in Maharashtra, that is a tourist place. There in the market you will see a lot of different varieties of fudge selling. It's really yummy, but you can't have it every day because you will gain weight, so be careful. Alright, so once everything is mixed well, then add mawa, and it's called khoya also in many places. Add and keep stirring it. It's an easy and quick recipe. You don't need much time to prepare this, and you don't need so many ingredients as well. Alright, so while this cooking, as I said, you have to keep stirring it. Meanwhile, you have to set the base for the fudge. Take a rectangular shape or square bowl. With a foil or with the help of parchment paper, just line up that paper around the box, rectangular shape box, or a pan or a cake pan, anything, whatever is available at your home. Finally, add the crushed dry fruit mixture into the fudge. Mix it well. You will understand by seeing the fudge. It start leaving from the sides. The butter starts coming out. That's when you just hold it like that, it start making foaming the shapes. So that's the time when you just switch off the flame. Just leave it aside for 2 to 3 minutes. Let it cool down. When it's little warm, then you have to shift it in the pan. Set this fudge mixture into the pan with the help of a spatula or a foil or something, as I'm showing you in the video. And I've taken a little crushed dry fruits aside to spread it on top of the fudge, just to give a beautiful look. Alright guys, same video is available in 2 different languages. The links have been given in the description box below. You can let me know your suggestions or opinions in the comment section below. And if you really find this useful, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you so much.